Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the Ebony J Way, the only way, period. Today's vlog will be featuring Dyhair777, and I'm going to be installing this beautiful lace front wig. I'll show you guys in a second. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah, nigga, I got a real addiction for this cash, yeah. I got a real ambition for this cash, yeah. 13 years old with a shoebox stash, yeah. I'm always up to something, never sitting on my ass. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell him, just on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be.
Alright guys, so I'm about to bleach my knots on my wig before I start to install it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so I bleached the knots. Some of them turned, some of them didn't, but it looked a lot better than it did before. I kind of over bleached the edges a little bit, but I'm gonna just pluck them out. I'm about to start installing this wig. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I'll put the information for this wig in the description below. It's a nice wig. The lace, after I bleached it, it's a I prefer my lace being dark skinned woman, darker complexion woman to be a little more lighter, transparent than this, but I'll make it work. I'm going to tint this lace before I put it on my head, and that's going to be that. So I'm going to install it. Come back to y'all in one moment. Lace is tinted. I finished with my lace tint spray. I'm gonna let this dry before I put it on. I'm gonna put my ball cap on real quick, and then I'm gonna install my wiggy wig.
Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell him, just on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss?
Alright, y'all. I like the wig. I have mixed reviews about this hair, but let me finish it first before I start complaining and saying stuff about the hair. So one of my mixed reviews is, even though it's a lace front, the lace is a little short. So y'all see where my cap stop at underneath my wig? The lace stop back here. And I'm gonna have to pull it down. That's better. Pull it down, and I'm also going to have to cut some off. It's a 13 by 4. All right, let's get into transforming the wig. now I can see what I'm doing. Okay. So I'm going to do a YouTube method where I use I'm going to use this little eyebrow pencil, and I'm going to mark where the lace meets the wig, and I'm also going to cut these edges off real quick. So
Tell him this, did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell him, this on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior Watanabe on my, tell him this, did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my, I can't really see where did I miss. Junior Watanabe on my, Junior Watanabe on my, all summer, all summer, $4-5, in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the store and now it's like we planned it. Junior Watanabe on my, Junior Watanabe on my, tell him this, did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my, I can't really see where did I miss. Junior Watanabe on my, 4-5.
wig is cute. I'm about to wash my hair. Do my makeup. Put some lashes on. Put some mousse in his hair. I think this is leave-in conditioner. Or leave-in conditioner. Yeah, this is it. So I'm about to get this styled. Real quick, be back. Okay, I'm just putting a little, sprayed myself right in the damn face. Putting a little leave-in conditioner and water so I can style my wig. Paddle or demi brush. My preference is a demi brush. Okay, so I'm done with my hair. I love my little wig. It's cute. We had to pull through, but it came through. It's real soft too. Like the hair is super soft. Very minimum shedding. And I'm just feeling it. So I probably could have plucked it a little more. But whatever. Shedding just a little bit. And that is the hair. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I hope y'all enjoyed this vloggy vlog. And until next time, adios muchachos.
I just made a bag, yeah, nigga, I got a real addiction for this cash, yeah. I got a real ambition for this cash, yeah. 13 years old with a 2-box stash, yeah. I'm always up to something, never sitting on my